In this video, let's understand the difference between nitrate and nitrite. Nitrate is made up of a nitrogen atom and 3 oxygen atoms, whereas nitrite is made up of a nitrogen atom and 2 oxygen atoms. The oxidation number of nitrogen in nitrates is in +5 state, whereas the oxidation number of nitrogen in nitrites is in +3 oxidation state. It forms a strong acid called as nitric acid, whereas nitrate forms a weak acid known as nitrous acid. The geometrical shape of nitrate is trigonal planar, whereas the geometrical shape of nitrite is a bent molecular shape. Nitrate undergo reduction reaction to form nitrites, whereas nitrite undergo oxidation reaction to form nitrates. Nitrate are used in fertilizers and explosives, whereas nitrites are used in food preservatives.